And now the FCT High Court sitting in Maitama has struck out an application secretly filed by the Department of State Services DSS seeking a 14-day detention order against the suspended former governor of the central bank, Godwin EMEFIELE, based on what they claimed was fresh evidence they had uncovered. The application was held by Justice Hamza Mazao. Upon receiving it, he questioned DSS counsel Victor Ejelonu about the court's jurisdiction, pointing to Section 293 and Section 296 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, which vest exclusive rights on the magistrate court to grant detention orders. In response to the judge's query, the DSS counsel appealed to withdraw the matter. Reacting to this, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Emeka Begolu, condemned the agency's attempt to secure a detention order through the back door. They criticized the DSS for interfering with the judicial process and resulting to intimidating tactics.
The same DSS that had procured 2 previous orders today have come to court to ask the High Court of FCT to sit on appeal over the direct orders of the Federal High Court Lagos, to ask the High Court of FCT to sit on appeal over the same High Court of FCT. Luckily, the vigilance of the defense team and good Nigerians led to our presence in court today, and they were forced to withdraw the application, and same was consequently struck out. Now, what this means is that the DSS continues to hold a Nigerian citizen against the express orders of several courts. The High Court is a court of unlimited jurisdiction. We expect that with what happened today, the DSS will obey the court orders and release Mr. Godwin EMEFIELE immediately to his family. In fact, release him to the custody where the court kept him, pending the perfection of his bail conditions. As a legal team led by Joseph Boduri Daudu said, our mandate is to ensure that even while Mr. Godwin EMEFIELE is not above the law, but no authority in this country can place a Nigerian below the law. Godwin EMEFIELE cannot be placed below the Section 293, where the DSS came under, was observed by court and counsel that the jurisdiction to detain or order a remand of Mr. Godwin EMEFIELE vests with the magistrate court. Now, we also have intelligence that the applicants are sourcing for magistrates and maybe judges attempt to destroy this institution. This institution must be made to stand for Mr. Godwin EMEFIELE, for me, for Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for the DG of DSS, and for every Nigerian in this country.
And the recent events surrounding EMEFIELE's detention have raised eyebrows. He was rearrested by the DSS from the premises of the Federal High Court in Lagos after being remanded in the custody of the Correctional Center pending the perfection of his bail, which was granted by Justice Nicholas Owebo.